everyone, it's Happy Mail Queen. I have a project share for you guys. I am actually doing a swap, and I haven't done swaps in a really long time, you guys. I mean, I'm creating stuff all the time, and I gift to my friends. We gift each other, you know, whatever we create on whatever holiday, but I haven't really done a swap with anyone for a long time. And but recently I was asked to do a swap, and I could not say no, you guys, because this person that I'm swapping with, I admire. I've followed her for years. I'm subscribed to her, and she's inspired me with so many of my projects, and so I couldn't say no. So anyway, I wanted to share this project that I created for my swap. It's my first project for the swap, and anyway, it's basically just some embellishments, handmade embellishments, and we agreed to use the Prima HAVANA paper, which is gorgeous. It's one of my favorite from Prima right now. And you guys, I will leave the link to my haul video when I shared the rest of the collection with you guys. And so I did use all of the papers in this 6x6 paper pads. Oh, I'm sorry, not every single one. I didn't use this one because it has the cut aparts in the back. And I think that's it. I used every single one because there's only 6 designs in this paper pad. So let me just share with you guys what I created. I made these cute little shabby chic bows. No, I didn't decorate the middle just in case, you know, my swap partner wants to use it for a, you know, another project, and she might want to put a specific center on these. So these I left very plain, but I basically just used my Martha Stewart bow punch, and this is like my go-to small bow die, bow punch, because I just love the size, and it just, you know, goes with most of my projects, especially cards where you don't need a big bow. And so yeah, I created these, and as you can see there, I made a pair out of the different paper design. Now this paper here is the Park Lane paper from Joann's. It's that wood grain pack that I shared with you in one of my hauls, and I just used it for the background just because I thought it went well with this set of papers as a background. Anyway, let me just share with you guys that paper. It's this one right here, which is super thick because I needed a nice thick tag to hold these embellishments. And then what else? Okay, so that was my first thing that I created. So the die, I was going to share with you. The die that I used for that is the Stephanie Bernard framelits, which is this one right here, which I absolutely love. This is kind of my favorite die right now. I mean, my favorite tag die, that is. And I used the largest one to create this because I absolutely love the stitching. So that's what I made. And then I also created some roses using my new Altenew. This is actually my new and my first Altenew die. A lot of you guys hauled this when they were selling them at Joann's with the magazine. I never found it on my Joann's. I was a little late to the party, so I've been looking for this online, but I didn't want to pay a lot, and the other places I looked at, they were sold out. But they restocked this at scrapbook.com, so when I saw that they did, I went ahead and just placed my order, and I absolutely love this, you guys. It just reminds me of Maggie Holmes flowers, and as you can see, you can layer it as well as the leaves. And so I had to play with it as soon as I got it. So again, I made some bows, and this time I used one of my My Creative Time bows, the one with the scallops, and this is one of my favorite bow dies, as well as the Martha Stewart punch, and it's this one here, and I absolutely love this size. I always use this size versus the big one. But anyway, the reason I use this is because I wanted to layer it with the punch out, the punch cutouts, because I wanted the top layer to have the paper design, and then I wanted the rose gold underneath. Now this paper collection here, the Havana, the larger 12 by 12 size papers do have rose foiling treatment on them, and so that's why I wanted to use rose gold. I ran out of my rose gold, though. I pretty much used it for this project. So and I'm having a hard time finding it, you guys. I cannot find it at Michael's. I've checked Hobby Lobby. They are just out of stock right now with rose gold foil paper. I think I even checked Joann's and they did not have it, so I'm really sad about that, but I'm gonna have to get some more. Hopefully they restock next week. So anyway, yeah, I made the bows, and then as you can see here, I used the pink paper from the Havana collection. I layered, there's 2 layers here, and then I did the rose gold as a 3rd layer on top. And then for the leaves, I also used 3 layers on this particular leaf. So I did use all of the dies here. So really pretty. I love this. This is so pretty. I mean, I love this die as much as my other rose die from, I think it's Marianne Designs or Elizabeth Designs, I can't remember. But I do have another rose die, but this one has more layers, so I love it. So yeah, that's what I use to create these, and then the rest are basically the same. I just, for this one, see, I used the blue, or kind of actually like a minty, it's almost like mint, but a little bit on the blue side, so like a minty blue, I guess. And as you can see, you can create 2 different kinds of leaves. You see that? This one only has 2 layers, this one has 3 layers. And then I just packaged it again using the, using the Stephanie Bernard die and the Park Lane paper to make a tag. And then here I just created a notch just using my 1/2 inch EK Success punch, just to create a notch on each end here, so then that way I can put some, this is twine, gold, rose gold twine from, I think it's from Target, from the Dollar Spot. So I just wanted to create like a little embellishment pack here. This one I'm not giving away actually, so that's why I don't have any twine on that one. And then let me just share with you another one. Here's another one that I created. And again, it's using the pink one, and this time I put a different trim on this one. So I think they came out so pretty, and so I'm just gonna package these. I haven't put the package on the topper yet, but that's gonna be coming up. So. And this one's another blue flower, minty blue, and this one is the mint green floral design. So those are my bows and rose embellishments. So I hope you guys like my little project for today, and stay tuned. I do have a haul video, a pretty big Michael's haul and a small Hobby Lobby and Party City haul. I think it's Party City. Yeah, so anyway, thanks for watching.